Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Chrissy here. So we are actually doing an unboxing for BOXY charm. So this is the first time that I'm actually subscribed to BOXY charm. So this is my first ever base box. So to receive the base box, you basically pay $25, and every month you're going to receive a base box, and you're supposed to get 5 full-size products within your base box. And your base box is actually customized, personalized just for you based on the beauty quiz that you take once you subscribe to BOXY charm. So we're gonna get right into this video. So guys, let's start. So I don't like the fact that this is actually how the box came to me. It had no kind of protection. It just came like this. No, mail or anything like that. So I know that this just got thrown about before it got here, on its way to here. So I actually opened the box just before the video because when I took it up from by my door, I heard something rattling, so I just opened it, and as you guys can see, that it spilled and all of the residue was left in the box. So I just took everything out of the box and cleaned up everything because it was everywhere. So we're gonna start. Forgive me, my earring fell as soon as I hit play. Look how it coming to one looking bummy is hell. Anyways, so the first product we received is REZA Be Obsessed Sea Spray Vacation Bottle for all hair types. So another thing is that it doesn't come with like a little leaflet or pamphlet telling you what you actually received in the box. I actually have to go on the website BOXY charm and click review, and then it gives you like almost 20-25 products that you have to like search through to figure out which products it is that you receive, because I guess that they just put all the products they send out to people and just put them all there. So then if you want to know anything about them, then you just have to scroll through, find it, matching, and then you will know how much it's worth and stuff like that. So unfortunately that's what I have to do. So this is the, as I told you guys, the REZA Be Obsessed Sea Spray Vacation Bottle. It's a hairspray. So once I click on the item here, it's actually not telling me nothing about the product at all, so I have to read it off. So it says ultimate luxury experience formulated with the gold infused shield protection. So I'm seeing here high shine crushed diamonds, rose of Jericho, black truffle oil, strawberry extract, and it has in pink Himalayan sea salt and Hawaiian black lava sea salt. So yes, this is actually what is used for, and this is actually worth $20. I have on crochet right now, so I won't be using that as yet, but I definitely will be reviewing these products, and I will come back with another video just letting you guys know how the products work, if I like the products, and if I will get them again. Okay, so our next product is MUDMASKY, and this is an eye serum, fragrance free, firming, nourishing, feeding, vitamin boost, moisture boost, reduces dark circles. So this is an eye serum. So let's see how much this actually is worth. So this is $63 for this product. $63. So it's supposed to help, it's supposed to reduce the dark circles and lines, the thin lines. And oh, and it's actually good for sensitive skin. That is good. Yeah, so you're actually supposed to see results within 3 to 4 weeks of using this. So you just use like a pea-sized drop and just put it under your eyes. I actually never used a serum before, so that would be a first for me. I know that I do have problems sleeping at night, so yeah, that will be a problem because I can actually see a little, you know, darkness. So we'll see if it actually works. So the next product we have here is, let me see, sorry, just shutting the box, is by FARMACY Whipped Greens All Free Foaming Cleanser with moringa and papaya. So this is a facial cleanser. So let's open the box and see what it looks like. So we open the box. So an all-free foaming cleanser that draws out dirt, oil, and impurities. This soap-free pH balanced formula helps clean pores, surface oil, and residue. The creamy formula is infused with sodium PCA to help replenish skin hydration, ideal for combination and oily skin. So how to use this? You basically apply daily, morning or night, to wet skin, massaging to face and neck in circular motions. Avoid direct contact with eyes, which with water pat dry. And they say may be used as a second cleanse following green tea makeup melt away cleaning balm. So we don't actually have that. So this is the facial mask. And I'm really excited about this because I know moringa is very good for you. So I'm actually excited to use this. So this is actually $28 for the FARMACY Whipped Green Oil Foaming Free Cleanser. So let's see here. Our next product, our last product is, let me see here, is by Beauty Bakerie. Better Not Bitter. Yeah, and it's actually a setting powder. I love the cute little packaging. So yeah, it is a setting powder and it is in the color Oat Translucent. So we're gonna open it up and we're gonna take out, ooh, so this is what it looks like. Beauty Bakerie Flour Setting Powder, Better Not Bitter. So I love that. I love the golds. And this is actually the color. It's in oats. Let me open it. Yeah, so this is actually the color. And it's really giving me an oat color. Like if you have oats, it's really giving me that white. I just hope that when I actually use it, it doesn't leave like a chalky mask behind, because I remember I had used a setting powder because it didn't have the color that I wanted, so I really needed it. So I just bought a clear translucent one, and it just left my face with like a white cast, and I didn't like that. So as I said, we will be trying out all of these products, and let me tell you guys the price for the setting powder. Yes, so this is actually $24 and it's from Beauty Bakerie Flour Setting Powder. So yes, So I'm gonna show you guys all the products that we received from in our BOXY charm box. Oh my gosh, no, we got one more. Sorry, I was saying wait, that says it just for. So we got Beauty VAULTE lip liner, and this is in a color Erupt. So it's supposed to be, oh, it's actually a dual pack. So it's a Erupt lip set. So this is a matte liquid lipstick and lip liner. I just look there and see it. Let's see. So this is what it looks like, and this is the shade Natty Nat. This is the lip liner, and this is in the shade Carmen. I don't know if you guys can see, but yeah. So I'm just gonna do a swatch for you guys. You're loving this. Is giving like a burgundy, a burgundy-ish color. Okay guys, so this is the, sorry, I just got a missed call from Barbados. Okay, sorry. So the matte liquid lipstick in Natty Nat, and the lip liner in Carmen. Beautiful. I love the red. Can't wait to wear it. I already have one a lip balm, but I'm gonna try it on for you. I'm just gonna wipe it off quickly for you guys. 1 second. Let's try it. I'm not gonna put a lip liner. It getting good. It's giving. Guys, tell me what you think. And the lip liner, come on, I gotta do it all for y'all because I love it. I love it. I love it. So guys, I am loving these colors. Oh my gosh, oh my god, guys, tell me what you think. I don't really use lipstick in the shade of red. I always get a nude, like a dark color. So this is actually new for me, and I kind of liking it. Tell me what you guys think. I'm kind of liking it. So guys, thank you for watching my video. I want you guys to like, subscribe, comment, share, and we will see you guys on our next video.